In this video, I'll show you how to update the Mailbox password on your iPhone. So if you've updated your Gmail or Outlook or Yahoo Mail account password and now you want to update the Mailbox password on your iPhone, here's how to do it. Go ahead and open your iPhone settings app and then scroll down all the way to the bottom. And here just open apps. Now here scroll down and just tap on mail. Now all you have to need, tap on mail accounts, and here you will find all of your mail accounts. For example, I want to update my Gmail account password, so here's I'm tapping on Gmail, and now tap on account settings. And here tap on SMTP and tap on Gmail SMTP server, and here you will find the password field. All you have to need in this password box, just write your Mailbox updated password and then tap on done, and that's how we can update Mailbox password on our iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.